Hello children, in EVS we started our fifth lesson festivals and we finished all religious festivals. Which are the festivals we have finished? Diwali, festival of lights, Christmas, Guru Purab, Eid, Onam, Pongal, Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. All these festivals we finished. Then today we are learning about national festivals. What we are learning? National festivals. Okay. National festivals we are learning. National festivals. National festivals. We finished religious festivals and now we are learning national festivals that we celebrate throughout our nation, throughout our country, whole country. Such festivals are called national festivals. Then first one, it is given Republic Day. On Republic Day we hoist flag in front of our school and in India in front of all institutions. And on Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. When do we celebrate Republic Day? We celebrate the Republic Day on 26th. Remember the date? 26th January. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. And next, Independence Day. Independence Day, you know, on Independence Day also we hoist flag in front of our school and we distribute sweets and all. So, Independence Day we celebrate on 15th August. 15th August. Okay, so when do we celebrate Republic Day? On 26th January. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. Okay, and we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. Okay, we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January and we celebrate Republic Day on 15th August. Okay. And next national festival is Gandhi Jayanti. Which is the next national festival given in your textbook? It is Gandhi Jayanti. Okay. The national festival is Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. OCTOBER, 2nd October, and it is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, and Gandhi Jayanti is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, so these are the national festivals we are learning in this lesson. Which are the national festivals we learned? First we learned Republic Day. Which day? Republic Day. When do we celebrate Republic Day? 26th January. When do we celebrate Republic Day? On 26th January we celebrate Republic Day. And next we learned Independence Day. And when do we celebrate Independence Day? On 15th August. When do we celebrate Independence Day? 15th August. And next we learned Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. 2nd October. Okay. And it is the birthday of Gandhi ji. And it is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji is known as the father of the nation. You have to learn this. Gandhiji is known as the father of nation. In Malayalam, ഇന്ത്യയുടെ രാഷ്ട്രപിതാവാണ് ആര്? Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi. So Gandhiji is known as the father of the nation. And see, here you can see the Samadhi of Gandhi ji, that is on 2nd October we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, and here you can see Republic Day parade is given in this textbook, and you might have seen the Republic Day parade. You might have watched Republic Day parade on TV. Okay, on Republic Day, colorful grand parade were held in New Delhi, okay. So we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. And Gandhi Jayanti is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. And Gandhiji is known as the father of the nation. I hope you have learned this in your moral science. Who is our father of nation? Mahatma Gandhi. So all of you learn these festivals. With this we have finished our lesson 5. Which festival first we learned? Yes, we learned Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights, and on Diwali people decorate their houses with the candles, diyas, and lights. Okay, and next festival we learned Christmas, and it comes on 25th December, and people decorate their houses with a Christmas tree and stars, and during night during night people go to church to pray. And next we learn Guru Purab. Sikh people celebrate this Guru Purab, and on Guru Purab they go to Gurudwaras to pray. Where do they go? Gurudwaras. And grand processions are taken out on this day, and they prepare good food, grand delicious food, and share with their friends and relatives. Then Eid. Before Eid they fast for 1 month, and at the end of fasting means what? They are not taking food. Without taking food for a long time, it is called fasting. And they go to mosque to pray, and the special prayer people offer on Eid day is called namas. The prayer is called namas, and a special dish also prepared on Eid called seviyan. And next, Onam is the festival of Kerala, and boat race will be there, and floral rangoli also prepare on this Onam day. And next is Pongal. Pongal is the big festival of Tamil Nadu, and the people worship the sun, rain, and cow. Okay. The next is Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. People spray dry colors or colored water on others during Holi, and the color is called Gulal, and the special color they are using is called Gulal, and a special sweet also prepared on Holi, that is called Gujia. Eid, Seviyan, Holi, Gujia. Okay. And today we learned 3 national festivals. Which are they? Republic Day. Republic Day we celebrate on 26th January. And Independence Day. Independence Day we celebrate on 15th August. All of you say 15th August. All of you say Republic Day 26th January. Say once more. Republic Day 26th January. Independence Day 15th August. Independence Day 15th August. and Gandhi Jayanti 2nd October. So all of you, Gandhi Jayanti 2nd October. Remember the dates. And who is called our father of nation? Yes, Mahatma Gandhi is called our father of nation. Okay. And Gandhi Jayanti is the birthday of our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. So all of you read this lesson. Okay.